Good morning.
Good morning. We are going to learn Autodesk Inventor.
Some of us can't send messages.
Yeah, if you can talk, it's much better. Okay, what is Autodesk Inventor?
Does Blender
Yeah.
count? There's a software called Blender.
Now, this is a software. We can make complex products, earpod casing, having two parts. So, using this software, we can do what large assemblies, visualization and simulation. We don't draft the drawing. The software will do it for us. Three additional integrated tools. So once you learn, you'll be confident this is a CAD software, parametric based, feature based.
But I can't check the chat there.
I'll share through your email
Okay, thank you.
and I'll create a circle here. Done. So this is called sketch, a 3D model here. Now if I can write this program, the radius will automatically change. Na? We'll try to handle the software as well from tomorrow onwards, okay?
I have a question.
Hey, yeah, who is that?
Good morning.
Good morning. So I can see Martin, Kong, Junhin, Yon. Good morning, all of you. So we are going to learn today an interesting software. Okay, that is Autodesk Inventor. You don't need to open the software today, no problem. So just listen. We'll get the introduction today. Okay. Right. In between, if you have any problem, don't hesitate to talk to me, or else send me messages. Okay, in the chat.
Some of us can't send messages. For some reason I can't send message in the chat.
Yeah, if you can talk, it's much better.
Okay.
Okay, Autodesk Inventor. So the first question is, what is Autodesk Inventor? Okay, what is Autodesk Inventor? Actually, the word Autodesk is the company name. Okay, Inventor is the software name. If I change the question, same as what is Autodesk AutoCAD? So Autodesk is the company name, AutoCAD is the software's name. And if you check the AutoCAD, at the end we have CAD, C-A-D CAD. So what is CAD? Computer aided design. It's a computer software we use to design what? Anything. Cars, building, machines. Okay, that's the idea. So now you know what is CAD. If you search CAD software in Google search, okay, you'll get hundreds or thousands of softwares. Okay, so Autodesk is the company that makes the software products and services for architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing.
Does
Now,
Blender
yeah,
count? There's a software called Blender.
yeah, Blender is another software, no?
Okay, so it still counts, right?
Yeah, it do count. There are hundreds and thousands of software. We cannot learn all the softwares, no? The most authentic, topmost recognized company is Autodesk. If you use any software from the Autodesk company, then there's an opportunity in the industry. Got it?
Got it.
Now, if you go to this Autodesk company, this company having lots of softwares. I have listed few softwares, okay, but there are lots of softwares. Once you come to this Autodesk Inventor, now this is a special software for product design, for 3D mechanical design. We can make a complex products. If you take a product, okay, it can be any product, okay, if I show you, I have a earpod casing. If you check this product, okay, so this casing having two parts, okay, but if you check here, there are multiple parts inside, but broadly I have two parts. So the products are made out of what? Multiple parts.
Yeah.
Okay, using this software we can make what? Complex product. So if you assemble these multiple parts into one product, we call assembly. So using this software we can do what? Large assemblies. After designing we can do two things, visualization and simulation. Okay, here we develop the documentation from the model only. We never do the drafting. We don't draft the drawing. The software will do it for us. Inventor is used for what? We do what? Model, we simulate it, and we communicate the design idea. Okay, and who uses Inventor? So normally mechanical engineers. So in summary, we design a product and we go for the manufacturing. And what is Inventor? It's a 3D CAD software and it is used for what? Mechanical design, documentation, product simulation tool. Any questions?
No.
Now, this is the software user interface. Okay, but don't worry about anything. So here today introduction only. I will teach everything from a zero level, from very basic level. But today I'll give the idea. What is this software? Okay, just an idea. Autodesk Inventor Nastran, Inventor CAM, and Inventor Factory Design Utilities. Now these are integrated tools. So we use Nastran for simulation. We can apply the load and check the thermal stressors, and we can do a drop test. If you come to Inventor CAM, so this software will support on CAM. And then factory design utilities, it is to design the factory line in such a way that to maximize the production and the performance. These are the three additional integrated tools. Now, coming to Inventor, what and how we are going to learn. This is 2022. The month is January. So we are starting the subject. Okay, so when we will finish this subject? At the end of the December. The number one is sketch. And the second thing is from the sketch, we develop the parts. Now, if you take a product, the product is made out of multiple parts. So now using the parts, we do the assembly. So that is the third thing. Then we can move to the drawing. So this is called drawing and documentation. So once you learn these four headings, you'll be confident on Inventor. So in the last 2-3 months, I'll teach you some advanced concept, okay? Especially on the part creation. Once you come to this Inventor Professional, this is a CAD software. This is parametric based. And also we call this is a feature based. We can have some dimensional relations. And also we can have some geometric relation. Feature based means all the features are saved. The features, we have sketch based tool or else pick and place tool. At the same time, I'll attach the complete PDF file for your reference.
But I can't check the chat there. It said like in channel meetings is only available to team members.
Okay, no problem. I'll share through your email.
Okay, thank you.
Here I have the Inventor software. Don't focus on this, okay? I will teach you everything from the basics tomorrow. Just try to get the concept only. I'm going to make a rectangle size. I'll keep approximately, okay? This is not 100 by 50. I'll just keep it. So that is a sketch. Using the dimension, I'll fix the size, okay? Okay, so that is 100. And I'll define this size as 50. And I'll create a circle here. The diameter 15. Done. So this is called sketch. Now this sketch can be converted into part. Okay, I'll create a 3D model here. Here we have extrusion. This extrusion is based on this sketch. Okay, without this sketch we cannot do this extrusion. Okay, so I'll do another extrusion. Okay, maybe this one, this one. Okay, and I'll say okay. See, it is creating the history here. First I had a sketch, then extrusion 1 and the extrusion 2. And if I expand this extrusion 1, that extrusion need this sketch. Using this sketch, I made this extrusion 1. Feature based. So what is the feature based? Feature based means all these design procedures are recorded sequentially. If you go to this feature base, we have sketch based tool and pick and place tool. The tools that I have created now is sketch based. See, extrusion is sketch based, and there are something called pick and place tool. Okay, for example, if I want to make a fillet, this edge, if I want to fillet, that is pick and place. I just pick and place. I don't want a sketch. I can directly pick the 3D model, and that is a 2 millimeter radius, and I'll say okay. So now if you check in the browser, here I have the fillet. See, fillet 1. I'll make another fillet here. See, this side, and that is the fillet number 2. Okay, now if you check the difference between these two features, see, extrusion 1 and 2, these are based on these sketches. So these two are called as what? Sketch based. And if you check the other one, these two are not sketch based. What is that? Pick and place tool. In order to do a fillet, we no need a sketch. In order to do the extrusion, we need a sketch. So what is feature based means all the history of the model creation is recorded. That is feature based. Now what I can do is I can go back to the past and I can make an editing. See, I have done the model, but doesn't matter if I go back to the sketch. See, if I go back to this sketch and if I edit the sketch like this, I'll trim this. Okay, I made a change here, then I'll finish. See what happens. Immediately that is updating in the 3D. So now if I want to write a program, okay, so maybe in my design process, I may change this thickness. Let's say this is the thickness T. And here we have a radius. This has a radius R. Now I want to write a function like this radius equal to T divided by 4. Now if I can write this program function, even if I change this, doesn't matter. Whenever I change the thickness, the radius will automatically change. Na? For example, currently this T is equal to 10. In that case, the radius is equal to what? 2.5. If I say if T equal to 4, then what happens for the R? Radius will automatically change to 1 millimeter. Na? 1, because T divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 millimeter. So it will automatically change. So I'll try to do this one. See, first I want to find out the extrusion, that is 10 millimeter. This 10 millimeter, it's a D5. D5 equal to 10 millimeter. Now if I come to this one, the fillet radius, this should be what? D5 divided by 4. Okay, so I'll write a program here. D5 divided by 4. Now it will run in the program. See, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this thickness, and this is a 10 millimeter. I'll make it 4 millimeter thickness. I'll say okay. Now see what happens. The radius is automatically changing. It says say D5 divided by 4. If I keep my mouse there, it says 1 millimeter now. Say D7 equal to 1 millimeter. So I'll change this to 100 mm. Okay, 100 mm. 100 mm. Say okay. Now if you check the radius, see, bigger. Fillet radius is bigger. So now 100 divided by 4, how much? 25. So this says D5 divided by 4. If I keep my mouse, it will say D7 equal to 25. This is the summary of the software. Okay, so Inventor software is a CAD software that is parametric based and feature based CAD software. Okay, so parametric based means a dimensional relation. We can create dimensional relation and then geometric relation. There are lots of methods of creating what dimensional relationship and geometric relationship that we are going to study. Okay, so here I'm giving you the introduction, and feature based we already studied. Okay, because we have this history, so we can change the past. Okay, we can go back to the past and see. So not only we can go back to the past, we can see how it was in the past. No questions? I don't have a problem yet. Okay, so we have not started the software yet. Okay, maybe we'll learn some more theories tomorrow, and we'll try to handle the software as well from tomorrow onwards. Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, yeah, who is that?
I'm Yongkit, Lo Yongkit. Because just now I log in all link, I try all the link, but I cannot join. So just now I take this link from Miss Ella.
Okay.
So I only can join now.
Okay, no problem. The session is completely recorded. Please go through the recorded session. Okay. If you have still any problem, you can contact me. Okay. Maybe in the next class, we'll spend time. No problem. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss 10 minutes or 15 minutes, half an hour. No problem. Okay.